What's up, my good people? Blue Bull Forex is here, and guys, once again, I welcome you to the Inset Empire. All right, this is where theory meets practice, and guys, I'm gonna be sharing with you the easiest. Easy is understatement. I don't know. Is there something lower than easy? Easier than easy? So I'm gonna be showing you the easiest trading method that I used when I was a beginner trader, and I was able to pass even more than get funded actually by 3 different proprietary companies, over $50,000 worth of funded accounts, and I was also able to run my trading accounts, my private accounts, using this particular approach. Actually, as a complete beginner, anybody can trade. My guy, if you watch this video and you can still trade based on this particular strategy, I don't know now how else I'm supposed to guide you, because this is basically the easiest. Even a toddler can do this. Easy and straightforward. Number one, it's an indicator strategy. And there is a lot of conversations that goes on. Indicators don't work, indicators. Let me tell you something. We cannot be having all those indicators there if they are not niches. So these are discoveries of various people and individuals who are trying to engage with this particular market. And what we call a market edge is basically what works for you, all right? So many people say that indicators don't work because they do not actually know how to use the indicators themselves, or probably because most of the indicators are arguably lagging, which is actually very true. And most of the indicators will show you what the price has done. And remember, you are not paid for predicting what the price has done. You are paid for predicting what the price has do. So this is why I call this particular strategy an indicator beginner strategy. This is a complete beginner strategy. People who just want to get started in the financial markets, like, you just don't want complicated issues. You just want a straightforward approach that you can be able to use and secure the bag, even as you compound more information and learn Forex more over time. All right. So this strategy is based actually on 4 indicators. All right, we're gonna be adding the 4 indicators to the chart. I guarantee you guys, it might look as a joke, but this is a very powerful trading method. I've used it myself. Is what my mentor introduced to me to about 4 years ago, and up to now she uses the same approach. And guys, I can guarantee you, my mentor is profitable. The person who introduced me to Forex by then, around 4 and almost 5 years back, and she uses the same trading approach to date. So when I tell you this is things that work, that I've personally tried, confirmed, I want you to go into it, just backtest it and let me know in the comment section, even as you continue to trade. All right, so now let's dive into the chart and be able to look at this. Now we are talking about an indicator called super trend, and we cannot use the normal trading view, because the normal trading view will require you to have a minimum of 2 indicators. That is in the case that you are still not at the premium. So that one requires to be paid. And guys, listen to me, you must not pay for this particular trading view for you to be able to be profitable. All right, I've been trading with it for the last 5, almost 6 years now, and I have never paid a single dime. All right, so because now we don't want to pay for this particular indicator, trading view for just one strategy, I'm gonna be showing you an alternative trading view that you're gonna be using for you to be able to capture this particular trading approach. And that particular stuff is what we call derivative trading view. So you need to come to derivative trading view. This is an implementation for derivative. Remember, derivative is a broker by themselves, but then they have a trading view implementation for them for trading their own stuff. Remember, they have what we call synthetic indices. So these are synthesized trading instruments that are not elsewhere. And so because of that, they had to form their own way of analyzing the market. And so we are not synthetic traders. Personally, I don't trade derivative. I don't trade binary options. But guys, I'm gonna just use that particular platform to guide you on how you can be able to trade based on this particular indicator. But if your trading view is in premium, you don't need to come to this one. So you just need to come here and select derivative like that. All right, we're going to first customize our charts so that they can be able to look professional. We don't have to try demo account because we trade in a live trading environment, and so you're gonna give it some time to open. So it's here. It's here. So this is basically the derivative trading view implementation for this is the trading view implementation for derivative. It's taking some time to load, but yeah, I think it's because I've not been using it for a very long time. Almost 4 years now. I started with this when it was binary.com, long time ago. Now the first step is to change these ones, because we don't do these volatility things. We don't believe in them in the first place. So you come to Forex, and then you select any pair that you want to trade. For me, I would select to have XAU USD. All right, not for, under commodities. XAU USD is gold. Pretty fine. And then you want to do easy stuff over here. You need to add 3 indicators from the indicators tab. All right, you need to add 3 indicators from the indicators tab, and this is how you're gonna show. You're gonna add them. You're gonna search super trend, and then you're gonna click the rise so that you can add the same indicator 3 times. So 1, 2, 3. Amazing. All right, pretty easy. Now you need to do some settings for these particular indicators to work. All right, the way this particular strategy is basically supposed to work. So the first one is to change this one, these settings. I want you to put 10 and 3 for the first one. So the second one, I want you to put 11, length of 11, and factor of 2. And then for the last one, I want you to put 12 and 3. All right, 12 factor 3, so that you can be able to get the 3 indicators. So this is 11 to 10 1, 10 1, sorry. So it should be 10 factor 1, 11 factor 2, and 12 factor 3. So you get these particular 3 indicators like that. But now they look so huge, so you need to minimize how they look like. So again, you're gonna come to the settings, come to visibility, and probably reduce the size, reduce the thickness. Pretty easy stuff over here. I'm showing you an indicator strategy, guys. Pay attention to this strategy. This is a very powerful trading strategy. All right, very powerful trading strategy. All right, very powerful trading method. Thickness. All right, make them very thin for your own visibility. All right, of course, that is this one. We have not reduced it well, so you come here and set it out, and then put it at the minimum thickness. Nice one, nice settings over here. Now this is it. This particular indicator, basically called the super trend, when it is only one indicator, it keeps on giving signals, because the idea behind trading with a super trend is that you are supposed to go long, or you are supposed to buy when the super trend is green, and you are supposed to sell or go short when the super trend is red. But now there is a problem. All right, let's analyze the problem. Now, assuming you only have one super trend, okay, assuming now you only have one super trend on board, let's assume that super trend is not visible, and also this other one is not visible, right? I want you to see the problem here. The problem is you can be given signals but still on a ranging market, because the super trend keeps on giving signals based on the candlesticks that are being produced. All right, so at this particular point, you can see here it gave you a buy signal because it's green, but overall the market was ranging. And remember, guys, research says that 80 to 95% of retail traders lose money on a ranging market more than the market which is on a clearly defined trend. All right, and so you need to avoid a market which is ranging completely. Run away, like I don't know what, from a market which is ranging. Market which is ranging is very risky for you to engage. Remember always, the trend is your friend until it changes. All right, that is constant. The trend is your friend until it changes. Now, here we had a good signal over here. It turned green, so the market was buying throughout. But now the problem is this market is not guaranteed that once it turns green, the market will trend. All right, so we need to filter out this particular issue of having the risk of engaging the market which is ranging, or buying and the market ranges and selling or the market ranges as well, because this is a beginner problem. All right, when I was a beginner, I used to buy immediately. I buy, the market sells, When I sell, the market buys. When I hold, it consolidates. It's like it basically works completely against the beginners. And this is why, because I have been here and I know the problems you are going through, that is why I'm here to guide you on the exact steps that I took to be able to get out of that mess. So now once you add these particular 3 indicators, as you can see, you are supposed only to enter when the 3 indicators turn green for buys. As you can see here, they have changed the color to green. And then you are supposed to sell in the case, let's look for a case scenario where the market sold. So this is daily time frame. Let's come to 1 hour time frame and be able to get more precise stuff over here. Amazing. So you can see we cannot sell here because only 2 of the indicators are red, but 1 of the indicators is green. So this means it's not a very safe entry for you to be able to engage. This is filtering out all the bad entries that you're supposed to make, all right? But in this particular case, you can see it gave you a very pretty nice buy setup, and this one a pretty nice sell setup when all the indicators turned the same color. Pretty much easy for you to be able to trade. So once they all become red, you engage. Once they all become green, you engage. But also this is not enough, because you need to be able to make sure that you have gone into the market on a clearly defined market range, all right, where the market is buying and selling. And that is where the 4th indicator in the same tab comes in. And this particular indicator, we call it moving average. All right, so you add a moving average, simple moving average, and then you are going to change its dynamics from 9 input and put to 100. All right, these are some of the things we did, and I can guarantee you they are top notch. All right, now this is the thing. Once the market is above, or once the candlestick are playing above this particular line, the moving average line, you are not supposed to engage sales. You are purely looking for buy opportunity. So even when these 3 lines give you an opportunity to sell, but so long as this particular candlestick are above the moving average, you are completely not supposed to engage. And once they cross to this other side, to the downside, you are not supposed to engage buys, even if you get a signal from these particular 3 lines telling you you are supposed to buy. So long as the candlestick are below this particular side, they are in the downtrend, and so you are not trading against the overall market trend. So here it's a good place for you to enter sales when the market is below over here. And remember guys, once it closes to the other side, now it signifies now we are bullish. So here you could have executed your buys in the case that you have still maintained the green color, right? So this is one of the easiest trading strategy that you can be able to adopt. Easy, simple, and straightforward. I just want you to backtest this, and then you're gonna give me a result or the feedback in the comment section. Guys, this is yours and your own friend, mentor, and coach, Blue Bull Forex, and I can't wait to see you in the next trading video.